Good morning, beautiful people. For today's video, we are going to cook a beautiful dish, which is beef soup with vegetables. And if you haven't subscribed yet to Tillav's channel, please consider subscribing. It's free. Guys, we will add 1 liter of water, hot water, with 2 tablespoons ng Vegeta and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So, yan siya guys. Lakasan natin ang apoy at we will make it sure na kumukulo siya ng malakas bago natin hinaan. So, we will simmer our meat for 2.5 hours. So, mag-add na lang ako guys ng additional half liter ng water para ma-cover up natin ang ating sabaw. Ang ating baka. So, yes. Pag lumakas na ang kanyang kulo, we will cover and then simmer for 2.5 hours. So, this is now our carrots, our ginger, our lemongrass, and our peppercorn. Okay. We will add our peppercorn, our carrots and lemongrass, and yes, cover and continue to simmer. So this is now our zucchini guys. We will add to our zucchini. So that's our zucchini. Continue to simmer. We will add our celery. We will add our sweet potato. Now we are adding our sweet potatoes, mga friends. That is our sweet potatoes. we will add our potatoes. This is the chocos or chayote. Dami na guys. Flavorful na po ito. So we will simmer until everything is tender. They are tender. Hindi ko pa natikman yung ano. So our water in here is our water na nilagay is 1.5 liters. It's a fiesta. Tikman ko muna yung sabaw. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. So, maglagay ako guys ng a little bit of cinnamon bark, 1 star anise, and few pieces of cloves. Simmer. We will add the mushrooms. So it is 3 minutes to go. To be exact, 2 hours and 30 minutes. We will also add our capsicum. And of course our cabbage. Daming cabbage. Madami. This is my winter soup. Soup for winter. Beef with vegetables. Just cover and simmer for 30 minutes. Nag-add tayo guys ng dried parsley leaves. Okay? This is now our final product, our beef soup with vegetables. Thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you learned something out of my preparation and cooking. Please share and be more kinder. Bye!